Morning guys, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. Today is Rakhi and we see an overcast. Weather looks good and I'm out here riding uphill and doing some trails. Guys, as you can see, it's a very cloudy sky and it's going to rain cats and dogs. Ekdam kala hai asman, but there's no stopping. I'm all prepped for the rains and to ride and do some practice. So I'll be going to a trail. This is right close to my house, this particular trail. So I've come here and now I'll be moving to the woods, the proper trail which I recently discovered, and show you around. So guys, I'm here in the middle of the trail and started pouring. As you can see, I don't know whether you can see the raindrops or not, but it is pouring and it's a little dark and the track is slippery, but it's a good challenge. So I think now the rains are quite evident. You can see it started pouring heavy, and these are the type of trails which excite you. You have to go from under the bushes, so be prepped for all these type of terrain and most importantly stay safe. It's pouring nice and good, heavy I must say. Quite slippery now. A lot of roots and roots. Not an easy feat. So guys, you can see pristine water bodies here. It looks so neat. It looks so nice. It's raining. Although the terrain has become very slushy and slippery, no traction, but still good fun to ride. So guys, be careful of a few things when you ride in the rains. Check out the tread conditions of your tires. Brakes should be checked mandatorily, and it's a good idea to wear hard-soled boots or cleats or for clipless pedals like these, so that you can stay safe just in case you have to waddle. Another important thing is I'm using this dual side pedal, which is clipless on one side and flat on the other, so it also helps you while you waddle, and also when the terrain gets too technical where you feel that you may not go with the clips on. So you can try all these and stay safe in the rains, but ride hard. Come on, please. Yeah. of rain and it's all flooded up. That will go. We don't have adequate water outlet. Not good.
Okay.
Six and a half.
I sent you that message in the morning and then I was wondering क्या बारिश में साइकिल चलाने निकलोगे कि नहीं जाओगे?
Yeah, what did you think? So I'm all drained. It's a Rakhi treat to me, I guess, from my sister in the US who sent me a Rakhi. Thank you, sis, for the lovely Rakhi and the dry fruits. You decided to have sent me dry fruits than the sweets because healthy. Thank you so much. And here's wishing a very happy Rakhi to all of you there. Stay safe and live life to the fullest. Pedal hard. Bye bye.